Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Nathaniel's Residential Digital Class. ఈరోజు మనం 8th క్లాస్ థర్డ్ యూనిట్ రీడింగ్ ఏ రీడింగ్ బి ద సబ్జెక్ట్ గేట్ పార్ట్ 1 పార్ట్ 2 grammar we will discuss now. We will discussing about gerunds. The sentence is question. Now there are here. We observe the sentence. He is swimming in a pool. Swimming pool means swimming pool. అంటే ఒక మన బిల్డింగ్స్ ముందర పెద్ద పెద్ద ప్లాట్ల ముందర బిల్డింగ్స్ ముందర స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్స్ అన్ని నిర్మాణం చేస్తారు. పూల్లో ఈ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ అతని చెరువులో ఈడుతున్నాడు. స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్లో ఈదుకుంటున్నాడు. స్విమ్మింగ్ ఇస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్. స్విమ్మింగ్ ఇస్ గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్. స్విమ్మింగ్ అనేది ఆరోగ్యానికి చాలా మంచిది. In two sentences you notice that verb are used with in. ఇక్కడ రెండు కూడా చూస్తే in తోటి ఉన్నాయి. Swimming. Do you notice any difference in them? In the first sentence the verb plus in is proceeded by in. Verb plus in, the first sentence is there. Proceed for the verb is. Is there is. The verb is in a progressive form. In the second sentence you don't find is. Before there only don't find the is. Or was or where the verb plus in form. These are was don't verb plus in form. Such verbs with in without helping verbs are known as gerunds. Without helping verbs are known as gerunds. అంటే without helping verbs తో దాన్ని gerunds అనడం జరుగుతుంది. అంటే it is a helping verb. Without helping verb be form actual gerunds అనడం జరుగుతుంది. They are the normally in the subject position or object position. అది సబ్జెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఏదైనా సరే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఉన్నదాన్ని మనకి చేయించడం జరగన్స్ అంటారు. ఐడెంటిఫై దిస్ ద జరగన్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సెంటెన్స్. ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ద నార్త్ విండ్ ద సీ రోలింగ్. బిఫోర్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఎనీ did not any happen to that before. Is or was yeah that not is but it before the reference. But there are going so it is a gerunds. Second sentence, the child did not see the gate coming. Gate coming is a gerund. Coming before not use before not use any helping verbs. Coming. The hear the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. Whispering, it is there and they did not use their way from helping verbs. These are was whispering before there only any did not use of the helping verb. So it is a gerund whispering. These are all important. He is swimming in a pool and swimming is good for health. But the enter the not will see the roaring is there. The child did not see the gate coming is there. I hear the children whispering outside the wall of their way to school. Whispering. These are three gerunds. Another gerunds we will discuss next. Now, why is the spring so late in coming? Why is the spring so late in coming? Why is the spring so late in coming? It is in this sentence then it is coming. The spring is there, it is a noun. Spring is a season, but the coming is before that we need that from before that not there. So it is walking is gerund. The walking makes healthy and healthy. Walking makes healthy and healthy. Walking is gerund. Walking is gerund. So this was the gerunds are used before generally. Now they another now someone named sentence we use. Another we read. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined word. The first, the gained put a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. A. Someone who enters a premises without permission. B. Someone who forcibly enters a premises. C. Someone who officially enters a premises. Second, the gate was wrapped in furs and roared all day about the garden. A. Made loud noise with anger. B. Felt frustrated. C. Looked pleasant. Third, there are 12 peach trees that in springtime broke out into delicate blossoms. A. Leaves. B. Flowers. C. Fruits. Fourth, he rattled on the roof the whole day. A. Made series of sounds. B. Shouted. C. Trapped. C. Trapped. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined words. The first, the gained put a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. This answer is someone who enters a premises without permission. Without permission. It is the answer. Second, the giant was wrapped in furs and roared all day about the garden. Answer is made loud noise with anger. Made loud noise with anger. The third, there are 12 peach trees that in springtime broke out into delicate blossoms. Answer is flowers. Answer is flowers. Fourth, he rattled on the roof the whole day. Underline rattled. Underline rattled. It is made series of sounds. Made series of the sounds. Above the choose the correct meaning for the underlined word. That trespassers. It means someone who enters a premises without uh, without permission. Without permission. Second, roared. It is means made loud noise with anger. With anger. Answer is that. The third, blossoms underline word. It is means flowers. Blossoms means flowers. The fourth is the rattled. The rattled means made series of sounds. Made series of sounds. Made series of sounds. These are all correct meaning for the underlined words. My dear students, all of you, the following, the strictly follow the online classes, watching and learning, gain the knowledge. All of you must write the homework and send the answers. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Don't forget to write the homework. Thank you.